Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can read some information on the teachers in the 10% application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the courses button at the bottom of the page, and then just click on any course and then click on the three dots at the top of the page on the right, and then just click on the go to Roshi Johan Halifax at this case. And as you can see, you will be able to see the teacher, read some information about her, see the courses that she teaches, and the episodes that she is presenting. And you can also find some available singles from her or from him. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.